Welcome back, everyone, to the Diecast Dude Racing Network. It's time to get the second half of Round 1 underway with Group 5 of the Modified Diecast series. Group 6 waits patiently on deck to make their qualifying run. Keep it tuned right here for that and more next week as the series continues. With little to no track data available for these builders to go by this season, the first half of the round featured a little bit of everything, and we saw some great racing action. But now it's time to meet a new set of drivers. Leading off, driving in the 1971 Ford Grabber, weighing 58 grams, let's meet Cast. Next, it's Grumpy Cloud, driving in a Big Boo. Big Boo is a Dodge Challenger drift car weighing 99 grams. Then, looking for a little redemption from last week, driving in the Ferrari 575, weighing 57 grams, let's welcome back Anthony. And finally, representing Chase Family Racing, driving in the 1969 Chevelle, weighing 68 grams, please welcome Nina. No directions were needed to the start line for these drivers. They knew exactly where to go to get this thing going. It's week 5 of the Modified Diecast series. Let's go Group 5 down into the 180-degree turn 2 and into the Slanman Customs chicane before hitting the open track, where Grumpy Cloud and Nina get tangled up right at gate 2. Can they get going again? Yes. It's Grumpy Cloud assuming the lead in reverse and making his way down to the finish line. Nina is a close second. And that's all for finishers this lap. It's going to be a DNF for Anthony and Cast. Taking another look at it here on the Slanman Custom Instant Replay Cam, Grumpy Cloud through the chicane and into the open track. He made it to turn 3 cleanly, flipping it around, got some assistance from Nina. They almost came to a stop there at gate 2. And it'll be Grumpy Cloud finishing the race in reverse. Sometimes you just have to do enough to get to the finish line. 5 valuable points to Grumpy Cloud. Nina with 3, Anthony and Cast failed to pick up any points that round, as we are ready for race number 2. At the top of the mountain, they are underway, and it's going to be Nina out front just a bit, as Grumpy Cloud is going to be right behind here as they get through the chicane. They're in the open track. Nina gets turned around, and Grumpy Cloud makes the pass. He's in the open all by himself down to the finish line. Grumpy Cloud wins his second consecutive race with a very impressive track time. And there are no other finishers. Nina in turn 3, and over in turn 2. We find, once again, Anthony, and this time Cast has rolled that car, that 71 Ford Grabber, into the bushes. They were pretty evenly matched coming out of turn 1, but Nina and Grumpy Cloud starting to distance themselves from the field. Nina can't quite make the correct turn, gets flipped around, and Grumpy Cloud will finish the race all by himself in Big Boo, the Dodge Challenger Drift. And what is that going to do for points? It's really going to start putting Grumpy Cloud ahead of the rest of the pack. Nina, 3 points in second. She'll be in the front row. Ford Grabber will be in the front row as well, but Nina and Grumpy Cloud, once again, they are going to distance themselves from the pack as Nina gets out to the open track. This time she's got it right. She gets spun around at gate 2. Grumpy Cloud once again makes a pass, and it will be Grumpy Cloud in reverse for his 3rd win in a row. They can't quite get it sorted out through the tunnel. There's Cast trying to come through turn 4. Anthony. Turn 2, that front lip is definitely causing drag. Grumpy Cloud giving chase. That's an impressive move. Nina with the lead convincingly into turn 3 very cleanly. But all of a sudden, we're turned around and stopped. And here goes Grumpy Cloud, not waiting for any of that. Takes it down to the finish line, but not before turning around to wave at Nina. They have a little bit of an issue going through the tunnel. They'll get that worked out, I'm sure. But 3 wins in a row. You can go ahead and pencil Grumpy Cloud right there into the next round. It's going to be tough. Nina in second place. Anthony or Cast could win this. With a win and a fastest track time, they could get it. They could force a tie. Nina would have to lose. Right now, it's going to be Cast and Anthony in the front row. Anthony getting a good solid push from Grumpy Cloud, but Cast is right there, so is Nina, and there goes Anthony down into turn 4 for the first time. Anthony crossing the finish line. Cast holding up Grumpy Cloud, who will have a DNF after 3 wins in a row, and Anthony, 2 rounds of frustration. At least he can go out with a win, and Grumpy Cloud on his way to round 2. Nina, by the skin of those tires, is going to make it into the next round. The lap time just wasn't quick enough for Anthony, who did everything he could. Cast did everything they could. They held up their ends of the deal. Nina ending up with a DNF set it all up. Anthony just needed a faster track time. Not this time. That car will go into the boneyard, and your winners for this group advancing on to the next round, Grumpy Cloud in that Dodge Challenger, and Nina in that 69 Chevelle. And that's going to bring us up to our Meekin move of the race. Meekin, gotta love those signs. And this week's move goes to Grumpy Cloud in race 3 after trailing just a little bit in the first half. He picks it up, gets down over into turn 3, and decides it's time to pass Nina, heading to the finish line for his 3rd win in a row, securing a spot in the second round. And that's your Meekin move of the race. Merch by Meekin is your headquarters for custom die-cast metal signs. Check out their line of custom billboards, street signs, gas station signs with gas prices, track signs with custom marquees, as well as larger wall signs. Don't forget to check out their custom merch and personalized gifts too. That's Merch by Meekin. Well, the track garage continues to stay busy. It won't be long before we outgrow that space. Until then, we have plenty of racing action to keep us busy. Keep it locked right here for Group 6 next week. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next week, folks.